So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bolt, a nut and a washer in Fusion 360. So first I'm going to start with the bolt. So you're going to need to create a sketch, select polygon and make the polygon size whatever size you need for the head of the bolt. Then you're going to need to extrude that bolt head to the size you need. After that you're going to need to draw a circle on the extrusion, make it the same size as the thread you're going to need for the nut. Then extrude that to the length of the bolt you need. Then select thread and click the face that you are going to put the thread onto. After that, click modelled on the menu, then press OK. Next is the nut. So again, select sketch, then select polygon, then draw a circle in the center of the polygon. Make it 1 millimeter bigger than the bolt's thread. Then extrude this profile to the size that you need. Then press thread and click the face that you need the thread to be on. Then press model and press OK. Finally, there's the washer. This one's a very simple one. First create a sketch, then draw a circle, then another one in the middle, then extrude the profile the right height you need. Thank you for watching the video. If this helped or you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.